It's about 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday, October 9th, 2023. We had brisket last night. Cousins and brothers and sister and nephews and nieces all came down. So we had a big dinner. And they also, we did a little tour of the farm here and they got to see the puppies. But Nutmeg is out and about, right? She's been taking care of her babies. And now she's able to get a few minutes of time without him. Let's go take a look at him. I don't know if you can see him. You can probably hear him. Yeah. But she needs to eat and drink water. Get some food. Hindungi's a happy boy, right? I'm going to keep you two together so next litter comes from you, Hindungi. I really like Hindungi. He has a good temperament and he doesn't bark unless there's something to bark at. So, yeah. That's what we got. So puppies are healthy. Everything's going well. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.